Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Now, unfortunately, this one is only for my United States folks only. But if you're interested in applying, the links to the application page that I'm going to share is in the YouTube description box below this video. But today's job lead is from the company TrueWork. Now, TrueWork runs a service that helps people verify income and employment data on other applicants. So when you go to rent an apartment or many other things that we do in life, other people that maybe we're renting the apartment from, they want to verify that we can afford the apartment and that we do work where we say we work. They are hiring a customer support specialist. Now, this is working at tickets, but they are looking for someone to work the schedule of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Of course, it's 100% remote from home, but they are hiring within the United States. So if you're outside of the Pacific Standard Time zone, you will have to convert your time zone to those hours to see if that'll work for you. But they are looking for someone to help manage the pipeline of inbound inquiries. You'll be required to solve 50 to 60 tickets a day while making sure SLAs are met on time. You'll also be participating in proactive customer outreach programs with the focus on reducing customer issues over time. You're going to organize and keep track of internal procedures to help facilitate scale. You'll effectively communicate internally with different teams to gather information necessary to help support the customers on the TrueWork platform. You'll raise issues about the appropriate supervisor when you have information that is confusing or you need help. And of course, you'll self-manage your workload throughout the day to make sure that you accommodate high incoming volume via phone, email, and chat. Because it says that you're going to solve 50 to 60 tickets a day, I'm going to assume the most of your volume is going to be from the email and chat. But of course, you'll have to ask that and clarify that at the time of the interview. Now, of course, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. It's always nice to have, but it is not required. They are looking for someone who can be dedicated to providing world-class customer service. Someone who has high standards for themselves and can thrive in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you have to have great communication skills. You have to be highly disciplined and organized and be a multitasker. And of course, they want somebody who will prioritize security because you are going to be dealing with people's financial information. But if this sounds like something for you, their pay range, of course, is always dependent on location and experience, but they pay anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour. And of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.